As part of our Giving Tuesday 2022 campaign, the Foundation received a number of kind donations towards creating a new volunteer training and seminar suite at our Genealogy Hub in Kiltonga, Newtownards. With your help, we have been able to create a dedicated space for our volunteers and a space that can also be used for hosting seminar programs and lectures. Now, as visitors enter Kiltonga, they will be greeted with a number of attractive and colourful displays, including a word cloud of townlands personally connected to the staff of the Foundation, an historic map of the British Isles showing the different connections between the island of Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England, a display showcasing the most popular surnames in Ulster, and most importantly, a sign welcoming you to Kiltonga. Moving into the Volunteer Training and Seminar Suite, we have set up a number of computer terminals that can be used by volunteers and also by visiting researchers. Our large scanner, used to scan and capture information from church registers and other historical documents, has also been set up in the room. Although our full research library and searchable library catalogue is upstairs, we have added a small but focused reference section in the Volunteer Training and Seminar Suite, one that includes a full collection of every title the Foundation has published since 1965, as well as other useful family history publications and reference guides. Also around the walls, in chronological order, are leather-bound issues of the Belfast newsletter covering the years 1955 to 1998. The Volunteer Training and Seminar Suite has ample room to comfortably host seminars and workshops, has access to modern audiovisual equipment to stream and record lectures and programs, and the room itself is a great place for our volunteers to work alongside Foundation staff and uncover invaluable resources to assist members with their family history research. We would like to take the time to thank everyone who contributed towards our 2022 Giving Tuesday campaign and for the positive difference you have made to the Genealogy Hub.